Hello guys, welcome to Mind Your Bull. This is Ricky here. In this video, I'm going to shed some light on trading strategies and setups, and also going to talk about how you as a trader can build your own strategy. Before we begin the course video, I would really like to request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that like button so that it will encourage me to keep making educating materials that I learned from all my trading journey. Let's hop to the topic now. Forex trading strategies. In broad terms, there are three trading strategies: scalping, day trading, and swing trading. Let's start with the scalping strategy. In this trading style, traders make quick moves in the market. Trades last from 2 to 5 minutes on an average time scale, but extend to up to 15 minutes sometimes. Scalping strategy is for the traders who like to trade small pips, following the analysis from 1 minute chart and 5 minutes chart frame. In this strategy, individual requires sharp entry and exit, trade with small stop loss. Profitable scalp traders take 5 to 7 trades a day with calculated risk and reward plan. Risk and target are between 3 to 7 pips per trade. Now let's move to the next style of trading, that is day trading. Typically, day trade lasts from 15 minutes to few hours. Day trading analyses are done on higher time frame only, such as 4 hours to 1 hour and then down to 15 minutes. So most successful traders are following day trading strategies only, as this strategy has proven to be well rewarding and less stressful compared to scalping, where you have to be attentive throughout the market until you hit your limit of profit or loss. Also, most of the concepts of day trading, such as SMC, ICT, comes under the method of day trading. Successful day traders take 1 or 2 trades and the target between 20 to 50 pips in a day with a risk of 10 to 12 pips. If your number of trades is higher than 2, well, then it is clear that you are over trading as a day trader. So the next strategy is swing trading. Basically, swing traders analyze the market on daily and weekly chart frame and hold the trades between 3 to 4 days to few weeks, and sometimes even longer if the price is moving in the right direction. Swing trading is popular among institutional traders and high net worth traders. It is highly rewarded trading strategy with little high stop loss appetite. Typically in swing trading, traders look for 100 to 300 pips gain by risking something like 20 to 40 pips. Now let's talk about how you can build your own strategy by finding out the type of trade setup that you like to trade. So you must know your trade setups that you want to follow, such as you want to trade the supply and demand, or trade with the trend lines and setups, or you want to trade chart patterns with some indicators. Fifth point is very important, and you must know the asset by heart which you trade. Focus on finding one asset and trade that every time, be it a forex currency or gold or Nasdaq 100 or Dow 30, which is the index. This will give you an edge in your strategy development. My personal favorite setup is support and resistance, but that too only pivot point level support and resistance, not drawn from chart but calculated from previous day price movement. I found after years of trading that long-term profitable strategy is from support and resistance trade setup and sticking to limited assets to trade. By doing so, you become familiar with price movement and easily can spot the opportunities to trade. How to build your own strategy? Basically, as a trader, you must understand and adopt the strategy that makes you comfortable in trading. Discover your own edge, try all types of strategy and see to yourself that you fit in. Once you uncover the strategy that you want to trade, stick to the strategy and master it. Do not just change the strategy as you hit your stop loss once or twice. First, identify your mistake and try to fix that and trade again. So basically, what I'm trying to tell over here, when you are trying to build your own strategy, so first of all, you need to figure out that the day trading, scalping, or swing trading, which is best for you. And also along with that, you need to find the great setups, like you like to trade the trend lines or the support and resistance lines. So after that, making your own strategy, then follow it and then stick to it, and then and only you can become a successful trader. Now let's hop to the chart again and let me share with you some of my trades from a couple of days back. Well, my most traded asset is GBP USD and Nasdaq 100. Last week I took around 7 trades in GBP USD, and one trade I got stopped out, and around 6 trades I won. Okay, so as you can see, I only trade from the support and resistance levels, and also I follow only pivot level of support and resistance. So for me, discovering this supply and demand zone was the only edge that I got to develop in my strategy, and sticking to it and mastering it was my one of my best move in the forex market. So that's how I became the successful trader. As I can as an example, let me show you. If I switch off this support and resistance, and let's move to the 4 hours chart. So this week, as we all can notice, that this week the price didn't move much. Okay, so from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, all whole week, the price wasn't moving much, and it did not give the clear signal to go long or short. If you draw your supply and demand zones like this, so you can, as you can see, that price didn't move much, and it did not give any confirmation that whether you should go long or short. But if you do not follow this support and resistance, and if you follow the bank level support and resistance, which is the pivot levels, so you will see that I got really good setups as per my strategy. So this is what I have developed throughout my trading journey. I have tried trend lines and chart patterns, and also the moving average, MACD, stochastic, RSI, and lot of many other indicators, which most of them, like Bollinger Bands, most of them are like really not up to the mark, because those are all lagging indicators. So this indicator, which is the pivot point, which I follow now from last 1.5 years, and you can trade anything. You can develop the strategy to trade anything with the help of this indicator. Okay, and if you want to learn about this pivot point indicator, I will leave the links of 2 videos in my description under this video. So you go and watch that video, because I have explained how you can set up this indicator on your chart and try to take the trades accordingly. Okay, so it's not only the GBP USD, you can find the good trade setups with the help of this indicator. You can find the good setups in Euro USD as well, because it works perfectly fine with any asset. Okay, from the support area, which is which are below the pivot point. As you can see, the red line is the pivot point, and all the lines below this are the support, and all the lines above this are the resistance. So resistance basically push the price down, and the supports push the price up. So that's how you can plan your trades, and you can take the gold, for example, AUD USD. If you trade Australian dollar and USD, you can find great setups to trade in this as well. And if you trade Nasdaq, you can also find great setups to trade in Nasdaq as well, with the help of these support and resistance levels. So yeah, go discover your strategy, and if you need any help to how you can develop the strategy to trade pivot levels, I'm here to help you out. And go watch my videos first, and if you have any question, you can leave the comment below in those videos, or even in this video. I will definitely going to reply you and explain you that how you can develop the strategy to trade this. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next video.